Delivery. Hey.
My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so before I get into the actual review, I do want to say happy late Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving was a couple days ago. So I hope everybody had a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving with their family, their loved ones. If you was by yourself, I hope you enjoyed the solo time. Like, I hope everybody has had a great holiday season. We have one more main holiday coming up, Christmas, which will be in a little bit over 3 weeks, like that. So this is the best time of the year. Black Friday was yesterday. I am recording this on Saturday, this November the 30th. Yeah, it is the last day of the month. It's only 30 days in November. Get my phone, excuse me. Get my other phone, I mean. So, hope everybody had a safe Black Friday too, because I know Black Friday is crazy. I myself work at a mall, so I know how crazy it could be. I'm in the midst of watching WWE, Survivor Series War Games. It's on the second match right now. The first one was the women's Survivor Series match. Team Ripley. No, who was the captain for the Survivor Series? All my wrestling fans out there. I want to say Team Ripley, but I don't think Rhea Ripley was the leader, because I think they brought her last. She was like the 5th member. Who was? I don't know. It was Naomi, Rhea Ripley, Bailey, Io Sky, and Bianca Belair. I think it was Team Bianca Belair. I think I don't know, but they won. Was not a good match at all. I'm now watching Shinsuke Nakamura versus LA Knight for the United States Championship. I have not actually watched wrestling in a long time. I usually just watch like the highlights on YouTube, or I read online. But I haven't been a committed wrestling fan, like to actually watch a whole show in weeks or months. Actually, you can see, damn, that's crazy. You can see the reflection from the pictures, from my pictures on my wall. That's crazy. That looks insane. Like, all those 4 pictures right there is like a television. That's insane. Wow. I was like, anyway, I'm just pulling this information so when I do get to the part about the shoes, I already had it set. I should have already had this already set up. I apologize, everybody. All right, I got the information up. Yeah, Sneaker Bar Detroit. Okay, all right. Sticker time. Just came in delivery. I won these off. Well, we'll get to that in a minute once I get it. But just got the notification from my shop app saying that it was delivered. I probably throw that on the screen too. I'm trying to add little new features to my videos, well, like that. So I probably will throw that little shop app. Your package has been delivered up on the screen. But yeah, just got it. So let's open. Not even open. Look at that. Pull open. Whatever like that. Hopefully I didn't show my address. That's taking note, it's official. As soon as you pull that little tab right there, this flap just comes straight up. Boom. Boom. Okay. All right, there we go. It's in there. It's in there. All right, so let's take it out the box. Oh. All right, boom. So right up top, you see that Jordan box right there, black, the red Jumpman in the center. Description reads, Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, legend blue, black is the color scheme. Suggested retail price, I think, was $235. I don't know. I gotta check. Oh, I'm sorry. I also got to pay attention to my. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Pause. All right, I'm back. Had to get my food. Uber Eats from Boil & Crab. Love me Boil & Crab. One of my favorite restaurants. Shout out to Boil & Crab. Little cheap little plug. But man, I came back and Shinsuke Nakamura beat LA Knight for the U.S. title. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, let's get back to this. I'm hungry. I want to get to it. All right, so I already told y'all the description of that. Size 8.5. So you know what that mean? Personal pair. No reseller here. All right, let's get straight to it. I'm hungry now. I'm having my food out here. So, all right, boom. Got that carbon fiber print paper. You know how it is. Without further ado, oh my goodness. Woo! Put that right there so y'all don't see it. Top right there. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but I put it right there. Without further ado, we got the, move out the way so you can see it. We got the Air Jordan 11 whew, Legend Blue. Boom. All right, cool. So I'm gonna be real with you though, right off the back, the material doesn't feel that good. I got the shoe in my hand and it feels cheap. I'm not gonna lie. This like it doesn't feel that good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It feels stiff, especially back here. Oh my god, it feels very stiff. Plasticky. Carbon fiber's okay. Hold on, hold on. 1 second. Yeah, I'm touched. I'm my Carco 11s. Yeah, it doesn't feel, this is plush, this is soft. Like, I like the feel of this. This right here just feels stiff. Oh, it feels super stiff, which kind of makes me wonder how it's going to feel on feet. It's still a beautiful shoe. I will give it that. I did not have the original pair of this. This is a re-release. I always wanted a pair of this. I heard that the original pair turned yellow. I'm not shocked about that because a lot of white shoes, they turn yellow, especially once they exposed to like light and sun, stuff like that. I remember people was like icing them, put them like plastic bags, Ziploc bags, get all the air out of it, and then like they was like put them in ice. I heard all different types of tactics to kind of keep it from the translucent bottom from turning yellow. Some people like that because they think it gives a vintage look to it. Me myself, I'm not really a fan of that vintage look. That's why I kind of don't like off-whites like that, because I don't like that off-white yellowing kind of tannish look. But I mean, you like it, I love it. So, all right, let's get to the shoe. Oh, well, before we get to the shoe, here's some information. This is what I was getting my phone ready for earlier. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. You can read along with me, be right next to me. In 3, 2, 1, it should be up now, so you can read along. Like I said, Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue Columbia, that's the original name, returns December 2024. So like I said, it returns December. I won these in the shock drop that was a couple days ago. I'll put that on the screen too, my win. But yeah, I won that. I heard they released a lot of pairs, but Jess was with me. She tried for a size 9. And I tried for 8.5. I won mine. I was only waiting for like 2 minutes. She was waiting for like 15 minutes, and then it said she didn't secure her pair. So I don't know. I don't know the exact numbers of how many of these was released. But this was just a shock drop pair. They are going to drop again in local retailers like Foot Locker and JD Sports and Dick's and Champs and all your local foot stores. They will drop in. I'll give you the exact date once I get to the end of this. I'm debating if I want to double. That's my cat right there. I'm debating if I want to double up on these or not. Like, I like these shoes, but the material just made me not like. Do I need 2 pairs of these? I know for a shoe that I am doubling up on for a fact is the Air Jordan 4 white cements They come out, I think, like March or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but I will be doubling up on them. I might triple up on them. That is my number one. That is my grail. That is my favorite shoe, Jordan shoe of all time. I had a pair. I bought a pair used, but it still was very, very nice, and I wore them till the wheels fell off. Like, they was yellow, it was creased up, so I'm definitely going to double up on them. But anyway, back to the original shoe at hand. Get ready for the holiday treat in December 2024. The Air Jordan 11 Columbia is making a comeback. Originally dropped in 1996 and famously sported by Michael Jordan at the NBA All-Star Game, this iconic sneaker returned in 2001 and then resurfaced in 2024 as the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue. So this is actually the third time of this dropping. It originally dropped in 2001. No, I'm sorry. It originally dropped in 1996. Oh, so this is the fourth time it dropped. It came out, the original pair was 1996. It dropped again in 2001 and then resurged in 2014. So, yeah, now this is the fourth time. Now, the eagerly awaited Columbia colorway is set to hit shelves for holiday 2024, reviving the OG vibes. While the 2014 Legend Blue didn't quite match the OG style, the 2024 version is expected to align with the original Air Jordan 11, featuring a high-cut design. It will showcase a classic blend of white, Legend Blue, and black. Market calendars for December the 14th, so that's the date. 2024, the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue will be available at selected Jordan brand retailers, both in-store and online, including Nike.com. Embrace the holiday spirit with family size and optional, priced at $230 for men's. Woo! Jordan killing us with these prices. $185 for grade school, $100 for preschool, $80 for toddler, and $60 for crib sizes. In summary, get ready to step into nostalgia with the AJ11 Columbia Legend Blue this holiday season. Don't miss your chance to grab a pair of these iconic kicks and make a stylish statement. It's not just a shoe; it's a piece of basketball history, ready to add flair to your festivity. Festus celebrations. Okay, and there goes some more there. So. Release date December 14, 2024. Price is $230. Here goes some more pictures right there so y'all can see. That's an ad right there. Don't worry about that. Boom. Boom. Okay. I always like to show y'all like clear images, even though I'm about to show y'all shoot anyway. That's enough. There we go. Alright. So this is the fourth time it's dropped. This is more aligned with the OG pair. With the high cut. We got that all upper white right there. See that Legend Blue or that Columbia Blue or Baby Blue, whatever you call it, in the center right there. Jumpman in the middle, white. 23 on the back. See the Jumpman right there and that Legend Blue right there. This is supposed to be what material goes on, like Concord? Not suede, not nubuck. What's the word? What's the name? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's the what is that? Because once I Google this, I'm like, oh, what is material on the Air Jordan 11? It's once I see it, I'm gonna be like, man, I known it. Let me see. Oh, patent leather. Yeah, so this is supposed to be patent leather. It does not feel like patent leather. I know it probably is, but it feels like a cheap pair of patent leather, like cheap patent leather. So it just doesn't hit the same as these, to be honest with you. It just doesn't. I mean, I know this is an older shoe. They probably was using a different material back then. This is not even an original pair because this had 45 on the back. But I need them to re-release this too, so I need 23 pair. But now they about to do the Intercontinental title. No, what's this? The U.S. title? No, Intercontinental Championship. Yep. Sheamus. That dude from I don't know his name. Some wrestler from that group with the world champion. I told you I haven't watched wrestling in a while. But y'all see Sheamus in the background. That's so cool that my pictures are like that. Anyway, white laces. See the trails at the bottom, black pods, Jordan Jumpman in the center, carbon fiber on the side, right there. All in all, I'm gonna be real with you. This shoe is more of a disappointment of how it feels in hand, and it just scares me that when I put it on, it's gonna feel so stiff. I feel like maybe I should have went up a size 9. I want my true size of 8.5, but I can't wear a 9 just because it feels like it's gonna be so stiff. I gotta break it in. I wanted to get this shoe like a 9, or at least an 8.5. I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 just because I love the color scheme of it, and I always wanted the shoe. I missed out on the shoe. I wasn't in the shoes when this shoe dropped. Imperial, that's the name of that group. It was 3 of them. Now it's 2 of them. Yeah, what's his name though? I don't know. Yeah. What's his name? Luke. It says Luke Wick Kaiser. I don't know. Sound like a hospital. But yeah. So I think they're trying to push him as a singles competitor. He's going for the Intercontinental title, and then the champion is Braun Breaker, stuff like that. But anyway, all right. So I'm probably gonna give it a 7. To be real with you, I don't like the way the feel of the shoe is. I got to see how it feels on feet, but y'all know me, I don't really wear it. It's going to be a while before I even wear this shoe. This shoe's from 3 years ago. I haven't even worn yet. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Is it a cop or drop for y'all? Definitely was a cop for me. I'm happy I got it, but I'm not happy with the material. I'm just not. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.